Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Disney Plus account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Just a quick tip, if you would like to get Disney Plus or any other subscription for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below. This will send you to a website called Gamsgo, where you can share your subscription account with other people and the password under one account. And so it will be cheaper, and I've been using it for the past 3 years, just like one big family. And so from here, as you can see, just scroll down and you'll see Disney Plus right here. And once you click on purchase now, you can get 12 months for the price of 36 when the original price is 100 euros. And if you activate the auto renewal and then have the promo code, which is going to be Gummy, and this will save on you an additional 5% and you will get the best price possible. But if you want to create an account traditional to the same, then go to Disney Plus on your Google account, and then from here go to the first link, and from here it will tell you to accept all these sign up regulations, and then it will ask you for an email. Fill in with whatever email you have and then click on sign up now. From here you're going to create a password, so fill it with whatever you want, and then click on agree and continue. Now it's going to redirect you to this main page where you're going to select whichever subscription you might want. There's premium and standard, but as you can see, the price differs from the one that we showed you before using Gamsgo. And then once you do that, just select whichever you want and the payment method you would like to pay with, either monthly or annually. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.